Hey Monopoly Go fans! Is your gaming experience being interrupted by pesky lag? Worry not. In this guide, we'll delve into Monopoly Go, how to fix lag, ensuring smooth gameplay and a seamless board game experience. Whether you're rolling the dice or buying properties, we've got the strategies to minimize lag so you can enjoy your game without a hitch. Step 1. Check your internet connection. A strong internet connection is critical to minimizing lag in Monopoly Go. First, ensure that you are connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network rather than using mobile data, which can often be unstable. Place your device closer to the router to strengthen the signal and avoid areas with lots of interference like microwaves or wireless speakers. Conduct a speed test to verify that your internet speed meets the game requirement. If it's below the needed bandwidth, consider upgrading your plan with your service provider. Step 2. Close background apps. Running multiple applications in the background can drain your device's resources, leading to lag in Monopoly Go. Before starting a game, check for open apps and close the ones you're not using. For iOS devices, double-click the Home button and swipe away unused apps. On Android, tap the Recent Apps button and clear them. By freeing up your device's memory and CPU resources, you'll improve performance and reduce lag. Step 3. Update the game and device software. Outdated software, whether it's the game or your device's operating system, can result in compatibility issues and lag. Regularly check for updates to Monopoly Go via the App Store or Google Play Store, as developers often release patches to enhance game performance. Similarly, keep your phone or tablet's operating system updated to ensure all improvements and bug fixes are applied. This not only benefits Monopoly Go, but enhances overall device functionality. Step 4. Adjust graphics and game settings. High graphics settings can tax your device, especially if it's older or has limited specifications. Navigate to the game settings within Monopoly Go and consider lowering graphic quality or disabling unnecessary visual effects. Adjust brightness or disable animations to further enhance performance. These adjustments can significantly reduce the demand on your device's processor and memory, minimizing lag. Step 5. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can work wonders for device performance. Rebooting refreshes the system memory and can resolve temporary glitches causing lag. Once your device is off, wait a few moments before turning it back on to ensure a complete refresh. Upon restart, launch Monopoly Go again and see if the gameplay has improved. Implementing these steps should significantly mitigate lag issues in Monopoly Go, allowing you to enjoy an uninterrupted gaming experience. By ensuring a strong internet connection, updating software, and tweaking game settings, you're setting the stage for smooth play. Remember, the key to Monopoly success is strategy, not frustration from lag. Try these tips and reclaim control over your gameplay, building your fortune without technical setbacks. Happy gaming!